Oh, hey, a new website, ruinsofatlantis.com. Play the alpha? No way. Play the alpha. Okay, so here we got all of the builds. That was last week's, and now we've got the new one. This is just to test the character controller. I think next week we'll tie it back into the main scene. Give it a second to load, and then bada bing, bada boom. Here you are. Okay, so this is just to test out the character controller. I wanted to give you a little intro to how we're thinking about this. Apologies for the semi-nudity. We have not added clothing yet. This is using the amazing Universal Animation Library of the animations paired with the Universal Basic Characters from Quaternius. He is awesome. Give him a Patreon patron follow if you like 3D assets. Okay, so we're going to be using a bunch of his stuff for initial assets, trees, and stuff. But I just want to show you the controller. Okay, so it's WASD movement. It's a little bit modeled off of World of Warcraft. You like A and D moves you left and right. The camera will swing around. And you can right-click. Right now I'm right-clicking. I can zoom out, zoom in. And one thing that we added is sprint. You can sprint to go fast. And if I hold down mouse look, then it'll... this is the kind of movement that I'm used to from WoW. And I like this. Okay, so, yeah, our general philosophy for basic mechanics like this is to be like 80% familiar and then 20% kind of cool and innovative. And so there's a few things that I like about like the Neverwinter online action combat. And so I think we're going to kind of mush those two together a little bit. I like how the Ghost MMO, apparently they kind of combine it where you got tab targeting. But if you are like in front of a monster and you click fireball or whatever, it'll just shoot whatever's in front of you. So like a little bit of action combat, but still mostly old school tab target. Okay, character controller. It works. You can test this out, ruinsofatlantis.com, as long as you're in like a decent browser, Chrome or whatever. And then you can also check out recent posts. There's our week 2 dev update with all the stuff that we added. And then we've got a post. You can read some of that about destructibility in MMOs and a little research report for our patrons, of which we now have 2. Thank you a lot to our patrons. Okay, we'll leave it there for now. And the theme of next week is what you as a player will be able to create. See you soon.